Today, we have a simple yet effective strategy that uses just two straightforward indicators with easy-to-follow rules. I'll walk you through each step, so stay with me until the end to fully understand how it works and start using it in your trades. And before we dive in, a big thanks to our sponsor, FinPros. Make sure to check them out in the description for all your trading needs. FinPros is a trading platform designed for traders who value speed, simplicity, and control. With FinPros, you can upload and approve documents in seconds, choose from various account types tailored to your strategy, and experience super fast trades execution. Plus, you have full control of your funds. No restrictions on deposits or withdrawals, and everything is processed securely and automatically. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Check out FinPros in the description and start trading in under a minute. Now let's get back to the video. First, head to tradingview.com and select the chart of your choice. Forex, crypto, stocks, it doesn't matter. In this example, I'll be using the 15-minute time frame on the Bitcoin chart. Our strategy's signal generator is an incredible indicator called Pivot Point Supertrend. To get started, go to the indicator section on TradingView, search for Pivot Point Supertrend, and add it to your chart. This powerful indicator combines the classical supertrend with pivot points, offering enhanced precision in identifying potential trend changes. To optimize the Pivot Point Supertrend, adjust a few settings. These tweaks are simple and will help you improve its performance. Afterward, we'll add our confirmation indicator to complete the strategy. Next, we need a confirmation indicator to strengthen our trades. We'll be using the MACD plus SMA 200 strategy. Search for it in the indicator section and add it to your chart. Once you've added it, adjust the settings to suit our strategy. Buy trades. Ensure you are trading in the direction of an uptrend. The price candle should be above all moving average lines, confirming a strong uptrend. Once you've established the uptrend, look for a buy signal from the MACD plus SMA 200 strategy. Once all conditions are met, enter the buy trade confidently. For buy trades, set the stop loss below the recent swing low, or one of the moving average lines. Use a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 when setting your trade target. Sell trades. Before entering a sell trade, confirm a downtrend. The price candle should be below all moving average lines, confirming a strong downtrend. Once the downtrend is established, wait for a sell signal. If all conditions are met, place the sell trade. For sell trades, place it above the recent swing high. To manage risk and maximize gains, use a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 when setting your trade target. Always remember to manage your risk and maintain trading discipline, as no strategy is perfect. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks to our sponsor FinPros. Check them out in the description. That's all for today, and see you in the next video.